Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate LIFX lights with Google Assistant, complete guide step by step clearly. To activate LIFX lights with Google Assistant, start by ensuring that your LIFX lights are installed and connected to your Wi-Fi network. Download the LIFX app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store on your smartphone. Open the LIFX app and create an account if you don't have one. Follow the on-screen instructions to properly set up your LIFX lights. Once your lights are set up, tap on the account icon located in the top right corner of the app. Next, scroll down and select Integrations. Choose the option for Google Assistant from the list of integrations. You will be prompted to link your Google account to the LIFX app. Tap on the link button, and you might be redirected to a Google sign-in page. Enter your Google account credentials and sign in. Grant the necessary permissions for LIFX to control your Google Assistant. After linking accounts, return to the LIFX app and check that your lights appear in the Google Assistant setup. Now, open the Google Home app on your smartphone. In the Google Home app, tap on the plus icon in the top left corner. Select Setup Device from the menu that appears. Choose Works with Google from the options. Search for LIFX in the list of compatible devices. Once found, select it and log in with your LIFX account credentials if prompted. After the account is linked, you can now use Google Assistant to control your LIFX lights. For example, you can say, "Hey Google, turn on the living room lights." Or you can say, "Hey Google, set the kitchen lights to blue." To create routines, go back to the Google Home app and select Routines in the menu. From there, you can set specific commands that activate or adjust your LIFX lights at designated times. Experiment with different commands to find the best settings for your home. With everything set up, you can enjoy the convenience of managing your LIFX lights using voice commands through Google Assistant. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.